right, here we're asked to find the sum, and we're given some different amounts here. We have $32.44 plus 18% of $10.18 plus $52. Now we have to remember order of operations here and also what words translate into mathematically. The word of means multiplication, so we're multiplying here. The other thing we want to remember is by order of operations, we do anything in parentheses first. So first we need to evaluate what we have in parentheses here. 18% of $10.18. So like we said, of is multiplication. 18%, before you can use a percent in a calculation, you need to change it to a decimal form. To do that, we move our decimal 2 places to the left. Okay, so we have 0.18 times $10.18. That's our amount in parentheses. The other two values remain the same, the $32.44 and the $52. Next, we'll calculate this because, again, order of operations say do parentheses before. So we have 0.18 times $10.18 gives me $1.83. If we round to the nearest cent, you actually get 1.8324. But remember, this is a dollar amount, so we want to round to the nearest penny. That's 2 places after the decimal. So now let's go ahead and add. So we have $32.44 plus $1.83 plus $52. All we have to do is add those all together. When we do that, we get $86.27. All right, how much does it cost to drive 50 miles at 42 cents per mile? All right, so in order to find the total cost, you would take the number of miles times the cost per mile, okay? So to drive 50 miles, if it's 42 cents or 0.42 per mile, you just take 50 times 0.42 and you got your answer. So like we get 21, that would be $21. Okay, here we have another sum we're asked to find. So we're at 32.55, 268.54, and 70% of $325. Again, we have to do parentheses first. Of, again, means multiplication. 70%, in order to use it to calculate, we have to change that to a decimal. So we move our decimal 2 places to the left. So in here we have 0.70 times $325. We still have that we're going to add to that 268.54 on the front here and 32.55. Okay, let's multiply here. 0.7 times 325. We get 227.50. Again, we're adding that to those two other numbers we had, 268.54 and 32.55. Alright, so when we total those up, you should get $528.59.